Welcome to Mr. Mitsubishi. Thank you so much for tuning in. Today we have a very interesting video. We'll be comparing same vehicle. It's a 2023 Mitsubishi Outlander PHEV SCL. Both are diamond whites, both are identical trim levels and everything else. One is with chrome, the other one is full chrome delete. So we decked out our new sales demo. We wrapped all the chrome details. We wrapped the roof, the mirror caps, and added side moldings and rear bumper plate. Also painted the wheels. So in this video, we'll have a look at exact side-by-side comparison between the one that we just did all the chrome delete and blacked out versus the way how it comes from the factory. So leave a comment which one you like best, which one would you go for, all things considered. Would you go black edition with deleted chrome, or you would leave the way it comes from the factory? So we're gonna start with side to side comparison. We'll look at the side, then we go front, then the back. So right now let's do the side comparisons. Thank you so much, and let's get going. Okay, and this side view is pretty cool. This is where the true difference shines on them. I really like how they look. So if we look at the same, I'm very excited because these both are PHEVs, both are SCLs, both white diamonds. It's literally how we worked with the trim that makes all the difference. So if we go top and up, so we can see how the wheels make a very big difference. We'll have a closer look with those on those wheels just in a second. So then we move up and we can see how we have black diamond side molding right here. This one is color matching white diamond, same thing. We'll have a closer look at it in a second here. Then we move up, the mirror cap is wrapped black and all the chrome is deleted on this one versus that one. And we can see also the roof part itself, right? So this one has fully wrapped roof, spoilers wrapped as well. The white one doesn't have it. So we can see how, like, you know, the white one has a little bit of this black fin kind of design going on. It disappears on the black one because we have everything black. So roof rails, we left roof rails you know, the way they are, so that kind of, like, you know, matches a little bit what we have going on with you know, this silver theme around the vehicle. So I think that visually looks good. So right now let's have a closer look at wheels and side moldings. So the wheels, we just painted black, so they're the same wheels, just painted black. But it's funny how, like, visually, design wise, it just almost looks like a different wheel, right? So we can see the polished aluminum part, how much different it visually is giving you know, if we paint it fully black. I've seen these black wheels, some other customers have posted how they paint it out, and there's like some black editions that come from factory like that. Initially I thought, hey, it's maybe a different wheel because it visually looks so much different, but no, it's the same 20-inch wheel that comes from the factory. Is just the visual effect. So let's check out this a little bit closer. I really like this whole satin or the gloss black that we did for the roof and roof line right here, and also all the chrome delete and the mirror cap as well. So it looks very cool. The guys did very good quality job. And then round here, same thing, it's very nicely done. And everything is blacked out, super cool. The side molding, we have black diamond side molding with PHEV letters on them, and you have this nice chrome line going on as well. So I feel this PHEV, it's chrome and blue, right? But this blue doesn't contrast with anything else. So it's a very nice blue that we have on the side molding, and I think it goes really well with the with this black edition that we did. So when we look at here, so here obviously everything is the way it comes from factory, with exception of this side molding. So we did white diamond, same thing, we have blue PHEV. So pretty cool, very good looking outcome, I think, on the black. So like I said, maybe this gives you some ideas how to deck out your Outlander, because sometimes, you know, some customers want to wrap the roof black or maybe add the black side molding on their car. So this gives you a visual idea. So right now that we're done with the side, let's have a look at front, and then we'll do the back comparison. Okay, let's check out the front now. And like I said, this is SCL, so we're comparing apples to apples. The only difference is what we did with the chrome and accessories and wrap part of chrome. So let's check out bottom up. So this part we left the same, we didn't black it out. Probably not a bad idea to black it out as well if you want to, just to go full-on black theme. Then the grille here, so we blacked out these cross chrome things going through the grille right here, but we left the Mitsubishi emblem the way it is with chrome, right? So these ones are blacked out, and then the hood emblem, this one of course we went black, and on this one we have chrome. So then if we go next up, oh, and of course we did the dynamic shield, right? So let's check out real quick that. So this time around we went gloss, so it's nice and shiny, matches the grille. I really like how it turned out. So then we go up right here, and then we see mirror caps. We wrap those mirror caps as well. This A-pillar is already black shiny gloss from the factory, so obviously that stays the same, and we just can see how the difference is on white versus black. It's quite nice. I like it a lot. And then also we wrap the roof right here, right? So this entire roof part is wrapped a shiny gloss black, so we have nice gloss to match this A-pillar right here. I really like, the guys did very good quality job. We can't see the white paint anywhere. They did a very good job on wrapping it, but that's how it looks if we look at white versus black. So on the white one we can see how you know, the sunroof pops out a little bit more, so we can see a little bit of contrast. Of course in the black one that sort of disappears because the entire roof then is black. Visually from the front, quite big of a difference, right? So first of all, like, you know, this chrome doesn't exist on this one, and then the roof, I would say, makes a very big difference as well. I quite like what we did with this our SCL by, you know, trimming it all out, the chrome and everything else. So very cool. So now that we're done with the front, let's check how they look from the back. And here's back comparison. So the back probably has the least amount of visual effect or visual changes. It's the spoiler part that we can see right there. So if we go a little bit closer, we can also see how roof, it's a little bit different. Just depends kind of like which angle you're looking at, right? I'm looking at it like from quite up high, so that's why it's you know, I can see it if you look at it from this angle, or maybe you sit in a car behind the Outlander, you'll be looking from this angle, then you can't notice that much, right? So we can see a little bit of roof, the spoiler part, of course, right? Because this spoiler is all wrapped, this one is just factory white. And the other difference is on this one here, we did this custom you know, bumper protector. So this is the chrome bumper protector that I have on my accessory store, mrmitsubishi.ca, but we spray painted it with this bed liner cover, so just to make it black. So we did a custom work on that, and this one just doesn't have anything on the back. So this line here is the only true difference, and of course then the spoiler part itself. So there we go. We just checked out this comparison, black edition versus full chrome. Please leave a comment which one you like better. I definitely like how this one turned out. I'm a big fan of you know, these contrast accessories and blacking out the chrome and the front, you know, especially the front. I really like the black Outlander hood emblem. You can notice it from a mile away. Looks very good. So thank you so much for checking it out today, and see you in next videos.